Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products in the market.
Today, we've got an exciting skincare product to talk about, and trust me,
it's one of the best vitamin C serums you can find. The SeoulCeuticals Korean Skincare 20% Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum with CE Ferulic Acid. If you're looking for that perfect serum to achieve radiant and youthful skin, you're in the right place. So, what makes this serum so special?
well, it's packed with powerful ingredients that are known for their amazing benefits for the skin.
But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our expert product reviews.
Alright, let's talk about the benefits of this serum. This SeoulCeuticals serum is formulated to combat aging, wrinkles, and various skin issues.
With its potent 20% vitamin C content, it's designed to minimize fine lines, wrinkles, and those pesky crow's feet.
Plus, it's infused with hyaluronic acid for hydration,
CE Ferulic Acid for added antioxidant power, and vitamin E to nourish your skin. The result?
a brighter, more youthful complexion that you'll love.
Now, this serum is suitable for various skin types, whether you have oily, combination, dry, or normal skin.
It's versatile, making it a great addition to your skincare routine no matter what your skin type is. Wondering how to incorporate this serum into your daily routine?
It's simple. After cleansing, toning, and exfoliating, just dispense 2 to 3 drops onto your palm. Then, use your fingertips to gently massage it into your face and neck until it's fully absorbed. You can apply it every morning for the best results. You won't have to wait long to see results with this K-Beauty gem.
Many users have reported visible improvements within just 3 weeks of consistent daily use. It can help reduce wrinkles, fade sunspots, shrink pores, clear up acne, and minimize acne scars.
Plus, it's a fantastic base for your Korean makeup, leaving you with a flawless canvas.
If you're interested in trying out this serum, I've provided a link in the description below where you can find it on Amazon. And hey, if you apply the available coupon, you can save even more.
So there you have it, folks, the SeoulCeuticals Korean Skincare 20% Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum with CE Ferulic Acid. It's an excellent choice for those looking to achieve youthful and radiant skin. If you've used this product before or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comment section.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product related.
Stay beautiful, everyone.